Hi everyone, today we are going to go over cloud computing. As organizations increasingly move towards cloud technology, a cybersecurity professional should be familiar with the effects it has on security. So today we'll discuss the fundamentals of cloud computing and related security issues due to our company starting to migrate to the cloud. Virtualization software helps to separate a computer environment from the physical infrastructures. It helps to enable businesses to reduce IT costs while also increasing efficiency. The main difference between virtualization and cloud computing is the service that results from the virtualization. You can't have cloud computing without virtualization. So there are several different types of cloud services. The four primary cloud services are IaaS, PaaS, DaaS, and SaaS. IaaS, or Infrastructure as a Service, is the most basic level of cloud computing. With this service, you run the IT infrastructure, such as the virtual machines, the storage, network, and services, and it tends to be on a pay-as-you-go basis. PaaS, or Platform as a Service, is a service that offers a supply and demand environment for both developing, testing, delivering, as well as managing software applications. This service is specifically designed to make it easier for developers to create web and mobile apps. DaaS, Desktop as a Service. This method provides businesses with cloud-based virtual desktops. The service allows end users to access the files and applications wherever they are located remotely. Lastly, SaaS, Software as a Service. This method is for delivering software applications over the internet on demand and normally also on a subscription basis. With this service, cloud providers host and manage the software applications and handle the maintenance like software upgrades and security patching, so less work for the organization to have to worry about itself. IaaS is normally offered on a flexible model where the organization can only pay for what it needs. This method provides the organization the ability to scale their infrastructure as they go. So as we grow as a company, so will the cloud services. With Desktop as a Service, it provides us access to a set of applications, whereas SaaS only provides access to one individual application. Service-oriented architecture is a way to make software components reusable and interoperable via service interfaces. SOA removes tasks from the application developer. There are many benefits to SOA, including business agility, faster time to market, as well as, most importantly, improved collaboration between the business and IT. There are four main deployment models for cloud computing. Those models are private clouds, public clouds, community clouds, and hybrid clouds. Public cloud is a cloud that's available to the general public. The public cloud allows for the necessary resources to use for your business, again, on an on-demand basis. You're only billed for the resources that you use. Private cloud is a dedicated environment for a single enterprise or organization. The main difference between a data center and a private cloud is how the resources are managed and provisioned. Hybrid cloud is a combination of both a public and a private cloud. Due to security requirements of required data protection, some companies can't operate only using a public cloud. And lastly, community cloud is a cloud that's dedicated to a few organizations from the same community. An example would be several banks or similar businesses all using the same community cloud. It allows for these companies to utilize a private cloud without the burden of owning the infrastructure alone. So security, storage, and legal privacy. Data protection is one of the biggest legal issues that you would need to consider when utilizing cloud operations. Under the General Data Protection Regulations, you can't export their personal data without obtaining necessary consent. Data and privacy security is another legal issue that could occur. If a third party receives unauthorized access to the information, it could damage the company's reputation. These are all important things that legal would want to look at before jumping into the cloud computing environment. Thank you. I hope this was informative.